we need to rally another buck, but I have a broken wing fly that we will look at if we get up there. Right now there's nothing to do there. Let's see what else is happening. Boeing still having problems. Southwest said that their 737 Maxes are going to be grounded at least through September. So they're having their issues as well. They are down. They're basically unchanged right now. They got hit yesterday though, and let's see. Iran is meeting with everybody except for U.S. on the nuclear deal. So that's Britain, France, Germany, Russia, and China. And that Iran says that, quote unquote, this is the last chance to save the accord. They will not accept artificial solutions to U.S. sanctions. So whatever you want to do with that, that's in the background, and that is about it.